In front of me is Honor Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts and select Add at the bottom. Finally, tap on one of your contacts in order to add it, and select OK in this pop-up if you wish to notify your contact about adding it to emergency list. If you don't want to do that, tap on Cancel. Then, by tapping on Add Contact, select the second one. Tap on wherever you want to, and do exactly the same to all the other contacts you need. If you want to change placement of your contacts, hit this icon at the top right corner, drag them, and after establishing a perfect order, go back. To remove any of those contacts, click on the same icon and select this X next to the one that you wish to remove. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!